Good morning, everyone. I'm audible, right? So just wait for a 1 or 2 minutes. Let's other to join, and then we can start our class. So did you try to make an account in GCP? Anyone who tried create an account in GCP because we need it, right? Lamia, Ashwini, I think you might have tried, right? Have you tried creating an account? Okay. So are you successful in creating account? Okay, great. Good, Lamia. You did. So it will be beneficial for you only because if you have created account you can practice on that and means in 1 or 2 days when we will going to explore more services that will be more beneficial for you. So that's why I suggested everyone to create an account. So just yeah. Okay, great, Nitin. What about others? All of you, have you created an account? Okay, okay, great, Ranjita. Okay, we can wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then I will start the session. Okay, let me share my screen. So today we are going to start about the basic part. Like I have shown you yesterday regarding the services, right? And I've shown you the platform, how Google Cloud they appears. Today actually we're going to see about the cloud computing. So I will going to I will going to explain in a brief about the cloud computing, what actually it is, and then based on that, we will going to see and we will going to do practice on that. Okay, so let's see about it. What actually this cloud computing and why do we use it? Okay, so this term cloud computing, this cloud computing is provide you an application, okay, over the internet. You can use it over the internet. You don't need to install any hardware on your system. Okay, yes. So as I was saying you, this cloud computing provides us a mean by which we can access the application over the internet. You don't need to install any software. And what do you mean by this term cloud? Cloud means actually a network, and computing means you are using this network with the help of internet to do your task. What are the tasks that you do it on the cloud? You save your data, right? You deploy your application in the sense you make your application available to the public to use. So you need something to deploy your application. Just like you host your website on some server, right? If you are from computer science background, then you might know like how we can host any website on some certain server, and then people they can use it, right? And even if you are not from computer science background, no need to worry. This cloud don't require you to be like from a CSE background. They just want you to be have a basic idea of what is actually cloud computing and what actually why we use it. Okay, so let me start it. So as you can see on my screen, the term cloud. So this term cloud actually refer to the network or internet. Okay, this term cloud is actually a virtual cloud. Virtual in the sense they do not exist really. Like means virtual environment means you can create virtual. So you can create a virtual environment where you can save your data. Okay, like virtual in the sense what you don't need to install any hardware on your system. There is one network is there that like you use it to in order to save your data, in order to process your data. In we create a project also. When you work in any industry, okay, when you work in the industry you will going to use this cloud only. Okay, there in the company you don't need to install any hardware software, you don't need to purchase it. You everything you do it in the cloud, you make your project on the cloud. So when you make your project on the cloud, so when you make your project on the cloud, uh, you it make the work easier. You can see on the screen like we can use a cloud something which is present at a remote location. You just have to log in on the GCP. Okay, yesterday I've shown you how you can create an account in Google Cloud, right? And you might have uh, got the understanding like in order to use the services, you should have an account in the cloud, right? So that cloud, you just log in it and you are using the service. Uh, do you installing anything on your system? No, right? So just with the help of internet, you can connect to the cloud and you can use the service. Okay. Now, what do you mean by this cloud computing? Cloud computing means you are manipulating the service. You are accessing the service. What are the service that you are using? Like you are saving your data, you are running your application on the cloud, right? So cloud computing in the sense it's a combination of hardware and software that is available to you in the form of network. You don't need to install anything on your system. It is available to you in the form of network. Okay. What is like that means suppose for example, cloud symbol are usually represented with uh, this network. Okay, this cloud are usually represented with this kind of shapes in computer science theory. Okay, so like cloud means what, like with the help of cloud you are connecting several devices together and you are forming a network. Okay, what do you mean by this? Suppose this is your cloud, or you can say this is a network. Don't think about the cloud. As of now, you just think it's a network and you are connecting several devices together. Why we are connecting several devices together? So that we can communicate. Okay, we can communicate between the node. Suppose this is your one node, this is your another node, this is your another node, and this is one more node. Okay, now suppose they want to send this message. Okay, suppose this is your A. Suppose the name of the node is A. This is the name of this node is B. This is C, and this is D. Okay. Now, whenever you send a message, Okay, whenever you send a message in WhatsApp, mail, whatever you send a message, it's go like this. Like suppose B want to send message to D. Okay, that message will come to the network first. This message will come to the network first. Internally means how actually happens, I'm telling you. Okay, so this message will come to the network. Okay, this network, this cloud shape actually telling you a network. This cloud, okay, what they will going to do, they will going to see the device D is present in which location, where it is, how far it is. All the thing will going to be compute by this network, and then based on that it will going to transfer it to the D. So what do you mean by this cloud computing? Cloud computing means you will going to use everything on the cloud. You don't need to install anything on your physical system. What do you mean by cloud computing? Cloud computing means they will going to provide you service on pay basis. Pay basis in the sense whatever like the services you need it, you will going to pay for that only. So in short, just remember this. If anyone asks you in the interview what is cloud computing, cloud computing is used to access the services on the cloud. And what do you mean by cloud? Network. Cloud computing is used to access the services on the cloud, that is network, okay, on pay basis. On pay basis in the sense how much services you will going to use, you will going to pay for that only. You don't need to pay extra thing. If you have any question in between, please ask. Okay. Uh, Today I will going to tell you some basic idea about this cloud computing. So from next class onward, we're going to do the services. Okay, we're going to do the lab part. So for that, you should have an understanding of how this cloud looks, how this, what is a cloud, how the networks create, how the system they connected to this. So how much services you use, you will going to pay based on that only. Now suppose in our class, suppose some students are there, okay? Like suppose, for example, suppose Lamia, okay? She is actually, she is also using the cloud, okay? Now she is using the cloud, right? She is using the cloud. Now Lamia want uh, for machine learning project, okay? Lamia, you are in which semester now? Okay, sixth semester. Do you know about machine learning subjects, artificial intelligence and all? From which you are in which stream? ESE. Okay. Okay, let's take example of Java application or Android application. Lamia want to develop one application that maybe Android application, and and she want to deploy on GCP, Google Cloud. Okay. So this Android application, what are the things that she will need to run that application? Might suppose she need 4 GB RAM. She need 100 GB storage. She need i5 CPU. Okay. She need like other services, like she want to run on Android environment, right? So these are the things that she needed. So